Hi, I'm Dr. Lou D'Amico with the Chippewa Chiropractic Clinic, and I'm here with my patient Mylan, who has graciously agreed to give us a video testimonial about some of his experiences at our clinic. Now, Mylan came to me last year, and he had some pretty bad back pain, and he suffers from something called spinal stenosis. And the pain got so bad that if he stood or walked very long, he'd have to sit down. And he's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Okay. Well, I was a gardener. You know, I had a nice vegetable garden. That was my hobby over there. And this is the first year in 60 years that I couldn't do it.
Couldn't do it.
Couldn't do it over there. You know, I'd start something over there in a couple of minutes. My back was just killing me.
Couple minutes.
Just a couple of minutes. And, well, I have to stop over and, you know what I used to do in a day, it used to take me a month, you know. I was in bad shape.
And you have to care for your wife, right?
Yes, 100% for my wife.
So this was creating a problem for you.
Big problem.
Now, you tried medical doctors, right?
I tried medical doctors. I went through physical therapy up to the Beaver Valley Hospital over there. No help at all.
Shots? Did they do shots in your back?
No, physical therapy.
Physical therapy, okay. Didn't help.
Did help a bit.
So the doctor said for your age there wasn't much more they can do for you.
No, they didn't comment on it. They didn't comment on it. The reason I got, my daughter had a dog that was suffering from spinal stenosis, and they did laser on her. And she says, maybe my dad would be interested in it. And she's the one that directed me here to you.
She found us because we had the laser.
Absolutely.
So when Mylan came in, we examined him, and he, you know, there are some very obvious signs of spinal stenosis when you observe someone the way they stand, and he obviously had that. And so I told him, I said, well, look, I can't reverse spinal stenosis, but we could apply the laser applications to your back and try to reduce the pain and inflammation around those areas. And I noticed his pelvis was very far out of alignment, and we did some pelvic adjustments on him, and we taught him a few exercises to strengthen his legs and to also get him a little more flexible. And how did that work?
Works fine to where I can shovel snow now.
Shovel snow?
Absolutely, and it was completely out of the question before, I couldn't grab a shovel. I was out there, well, while it's snowing over there, maybe a good half hour or so, shoveling snow like I normally would. Although, you know what, I'm not 100%, but I say I'm at least 95% better now than I was then.
Do you think you'll have your garden this summer?
Well, you're stretching my now. I go from day to day now. God willing, yes. This is my hobby. I raise zucchini over like nobody else can. What you put in one space over there, I'll reduce that space by 75% and I'll produce you the way I plant. This is a hobby of mine.
One final question I forgot to ask you. How old are you?
92.
92 years old.
Yes, sir. Be 93 this year.
Well, God bless you.
Huh?
Well, let's see if we can keep you going and make that 100.
That's right. The Germans couldn't do it to me. I don't know who else.
If someone had spinal stenosis or back problems, would you recommend they try the Chippewa Chiropractic Clinic?
I'll lead them here personally.
Thank you very much, Mylan.
Okay. You guys been a godsend to me.
You're a natural at this.
Huh?
You're a natural at this. Yeah.